सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Chapter 5, verse number 15, 1-5. नादत्ते कस्यचित् पापम् न चैव सुकृतं विभुः अज्ञानेनावृतं ज्ञानम् तेन मुह्यन्ति जन्तवः। Lord Krishna revealing the nature of Atma. Atma never instigate or cause for any action that is done by the human beings or any other being also. Atma is not the cause at all for the creation of those actions in the minds of people. And Atma is neither directly cause or indirectly cause. Therefore, then who is the cause for these actions done by whom? Who is that? Kena Ishitam. In the Kenopanishad, the Prashna, the question asked by the student, by whom all the desires are arise, out of whom? Their answer was different. Because of the presence of Atma, everything is functioning. Here the context is the actions done by us are created by whom? We cannot say Atma is the cause. No. Atma is not the cause for our actions. Suppose Atma is the cause, even bad actions are also, Atma will become the karanam of evil actions. So, there are people say, I am not doing anything, Atma is only making me to do all these things. I am doing directly, but Atma is the cause indirectly for my actions. Shastra says no. Atma is not the cause. Then who is that cause? That Prakriti Maya. Sattva Rajas Tamo Gunatmika Maya Prakriti. Its nature is to function in the presence of Atma. We have to understand. Because of our Raga Dvesha, likes and dislikes, conditions, we are all performing either good actions or bad actions, either Vihita Karma or Nishiddha Karma, Nitya Karma or Naimittika Karma, all actions only based on our Raga Dvesha. Because of our past vasanas, because of our habits, Purva Janma, our previous years, vasanas only propel the person to do action. That is what Lord Krishna completed in the 14th shloka. Na kartrutvam na karmani lokasya srijati. Bhagavan or the self. Bhagavan and the self are not different here. Okay? Paramatma is not the cause for your doership or for your actions. or he is not having any contact with your fruits of actions. Na karma phala samyogam. This sloka helps us to take responsibility on our shoulders. Otherwise, what say? Bhagavan panni vekkirar, our aatarar nama aadarom anna. We are like puppets in his hands. We have nothing in our hands. We are only like puppets. He is playing with us. Ella akramam panni. We put the akshataya on Bhagavan's head. So Lord Krishna knows that. Therefore he is very carefully escaping from that. Now that's what the meaning. We have to understand Bhagavan is not at all responsible. Our own Shubha Ashubha Vasanas are the cause for phala, everything. Then 15th shloka, Bhagavan said, even the punya papa occur because of actions, good or evil actions, that punya papa also will not touch the self, Atma. So if I do punya karyams, this punya will go to the self. If I do papa karyam, this papa will go to the self. That's why they say Atma Shuddhi. Illa papam panditam. Now you have to wash the Atma. You need not wash the Atma. Atma is ever Shuddha, ever pure. So na adatte kasyachit papam. Vibhuhu means here Atma. The all-pervading one, that consciousness or the self Atma. When I say self, the Jnani also you can take in that context. Why? Jnani look at himself as self. That's why he is called Jnani. I am Atma. I am not touched by the punya papa of those actions done by this Prakriti Maya, this body. This consciousness standpoint. That's why Vibhuhu means here Paramatma. Paramatma is equal to consciousness, all pervading consciousness, or Jnani we can take. Na adatte papam. Neither evil results. Papa means evil results. Adatte means na grinhati. Da dhatu, actually verb is to give. Datte, to give. When you join the prefix a, it is taking. Entirely opposite meaning. Da dhatu means to give. Danam. From that only danam came. Here once you join this prefix a, it is opposite meaning. Adatte means taking. Atma will never take the result of that action. What action? Evil action. Therefore that is papam. Evil action gives what? Papa. That papa is the result of evil action done by this body-mind complex will not touch the Atma. Na eva sukritam. Adatte you have to supply. Na adatte. Sukritam api na ev adatte eva. Even the punyam, which is born out of good actions. Punya is that born out of righteous actions, dharmic actions. That punyam also. That is important point here. Papam we all of us reject. Why can't Atma take punyam? Why punyam vidanam? It is like if you accept one side of the coin, you have to accept other side of the coin. You cannot have a one side coin, double side, no? Both the sides you have to. Once you reject papa, you have to reject punyam also. That's why punyam api. Sukritam means punyam. Sukritam means what? Kritam means action. Sukritam means that good action. Good action produced punya. That result in artham. Sukritam means a result of that good action. Kasyachit. Of anyone. Even Mahatma doing punya actions, good actions, let Atma can take, because this is a papi, this is a person who is adharmic person, doing all evil actions, therefore I will not touch his results. This person is Mahatma, sannyasi, great person, therefore let me take his punya. Kasyachit, of anyone, so punya papa will not taken by this Atma, not acquired by, not received by, na adatte. Then the second line, but jantavaha, all beings, jantavaha means jantu, a person who born. No, human being is also called jantu. Punaha punaha jayate iti jantuhu. Jayate iti jantuhu. Because we are born, that's why we are all called jantus. We need not have 4 legs. We are born, that itself is sufficient to have the title of jantu. Jantavaha ajnanena avrutam jnanam. This jantavaha, the beings are muhyanti tena, are deluded. Their minds are deluded, are covered. Muhyanti means mukh dhatu. Mukh means moha, delusion, confusion. That moha, delusion, because of that, deluded people, why they are called deluded? Their discriminative power is avrutam. Jnanam ajnanena avrutam. Deluded people do not know this. What? Atma is untouched by the punya, papa, karma, any action of anyone. Deluded people do not know. Why they do not know? Their knowledge, jnanam, is covered. Ajnanena avrutam. Avrutam means covered, veiled. Avrutam, veiled or covered by ajnanena, by ignorance, self-ignorance. Because they do not know about the self. Therefore, they take that self as the body-mind complex. This is called Dehatma Buddhi. Dehatma Buddhi. Just as we forget ourselves in the dream, I am dreaming. Are we remember when we are dreaming? I am dreaming, I am the waker. No. So the dream thought when arise from me alone, waker from me alone, but I do not know, and I scream when I see the tiger in the dream. Why can't I say, I have only created this tiger, let me not have any fear? But very, very difficult, because we have that wakerhood, Jagrat Avastha, wakerhood is covered. Similarly, our Atma Swarupam is also veiled, covered by that ignorance, self-ignorance. So here some important points we have to note. The delusion is because of what? Some aside points we should know. What do you mean by delusion? whether we have delusion or not, to know what are the parameters. Shastra says, not here, some other place. Delusion is the first delusion is called I am the doer, is the first delusion. I am the karta, I am the doer is called first delusion. Then the second delusion is, since I am the doer of this action, I get the result. I am the bhokta, second delusion. I get this result of this action because I am the doer. This is second delusion. ரெண்டுமே இருக்கு. இருக்குன்னு எப்படி தெரியும்? We should know whether we have or not. Then if I do this punya karyam, I will go to heaven. I will get lot of punyam. I will accomplish this. I can accomplish this. That idea is there. Every one of our minds. Normally people are having, no, I am doing this, I am going to get this, because of this I will get name and fame. Fame, I will get, is a frame also. Once I get fame, I will be in the frame. That's why even see the people who are very popular, famous people, they are always inside the cars. Even they are not seen by other people. Their life is threatened. Fame is called a frame. Correct, Dani? That's why those are famous, they cannot walk freely, they cannot talk freely, they cannot come out like us. நமக்கு என்ன செக்யூரிட்டி வேணும்? ஒன்னும் black cat வேண்டாம் நமக்கு. That's why once you become famous, you are in the frame. அது மாதிரி then these are all the causes of delusion. Okay, kama, the desire to do, raga, and attachment towards those actions, results. Then moha, yoga and kshema. I want to acquire, then I want to protect it. This is mine, I want. So kama, raga, moha, all these are the causes. These are the symptoms of moha. Okay. Innum vilakkama sollalam, I am the body is the first delusion. Yenna, I am the doer, why it is coming? Because I am taking myself as the body. Sharira, dehatma buddhi. Dehame atma. Deham da nan engira buddhi, dehatma buddhi. And the dehatma buddhi nalada in the doership kartrutvam varade. So dehatma buddhi, that it is the first delusion. Then kartrutvam, that kama is the second delusion. Then I am limited. Dehatma buddhi vandavadan ennachu? My fame is limited, my name is limited. Many of us, we don't like our complexion, height, weight, everything. Lot of problems, limitations, parichinnata. Once I take this body as myself, all limitations, morning, I am feeling inferiority complex. And wife, mother, father, somebody comes, you don't know. If they go on telling, much more limitation I feel. This is called samsara. All this put together, kama, raga, dvesha, moha, parichinnata, dehatma buddhi, all put together, the series, samsara. Samsaraha. That samsaraman. Now the next shloka we will see. Avritam means covered as it were. Don't take literally. This person's jnanam, that knowledge about the self, I am the self, my real nature, swarupam, basically no one can deny this. But because of my ajnanam, that is covered as it were. But don't take literally. Papa Atma covered by some ajnanam, ignorance, and not like that. Just notion. I am the Atma Swarupam. Angra thought illamale aham dehaha. That notion is covering. So what to do? Remove the cover. That's why discover. What to discover? Remove the cover. Discover. Remove that notion is called discovery. Discover your Atma. Because it is avritam as it were. Really, if you take literally, it is covered. That means jnanam, that Atma jnanam is covered by anatma jnanam or Atma ajnanam. That means the covered must be smaller than covering thing. That which is covered must be smaller than that which covers. Appo ajnanam must be very bigger than jnanam. But I don't. When you are covering your body, blanket must be bigger than your size. Otherwise, in the pakkam kosu, and the pakkam kosu gadikko. Illiyo. That's why you take bigger blanket so that it covers your whole body. If you take literally, that which covers, that ajnanam must be bigger. Really speaking, nothing can cover Atma. Sarvagata Atma, all pervading Atma, infinite Atma, how can it be covered by a finite Parichinna Deha Atma Buddhi anna? Adha Maya. Aghatita Ghatana Patiyasi Maya. எது முடியாத காரியமோ அது கூட பண்ண முடியும் இந்த மாயாக்கு. அதுக்கு தான் as it were. That we have to remove that notion. 16th shloka. Jnanena tu tadajnanam esham nashitam-atmanah तेषामादित्यवत् ज्ञानम् प्रकाशयति तत्परम्. Since ajnana is the moha karanam, ajnanena jnanam avritam. That means that ignorance, ajnana means what? Ignorance, self-ignorance. Self-ignorance is the cause for delusion. What is the delusion? Dehatma buddhi, kartrutvam, raga, dvesha, all these limitations, problems because of ignorance. What we have to do? Remove that ajnanam. Lord Krishna is giving the clue. What is that is the remedy. How to remove that ajnanam? Jnanena ajnana, tat ajnanam. Tu here parantu in artham. Tu means parantu. However, even though that ajnanam is covering that jnanam as it were, even though, however, jnanam tat param prakashayati. Jnanam, the knowledge, second line, tesham adityavat jnanam. You can go to, first we will see that Atmanaha ajnanam jnanena tu yesham nashitaha. Atmanaha here means, Atma means not Satchidananda Atma. Atma means oneself, one's mind. Atmanaha, ignorance of the self. Atmanaha Ajnanam, that Ajnanam which is in the mind. Okay, in the self and ignorance of the self. Tat Atmanaha Ajnanam. And first line Tat Tadajnanam anirke. Tat plus Ajnanam Tadajnanam. So how to split? Tat Ajnanam. What Ajnanam? Physics Ajnanam, chemistry Ajnanam nu sollakudadu. Atmanaha Ajnanam. Atma Ajnanam. Atma ariyamalai irukkirathu. Atma enna? No, Atma nu sollறாரு. Yadapnoti yadadatte yachati santato bhavaha. Vishayaniha. Atma is that which pervades in the whole body. Is called Atma. Yada apnoti, that which pervades. That which pervades the whole body is called Atma. Yada adatte, that which takes everything through the sense organs, through the sense organs of action, sense organs of knowledge, that which takes everything. Yada adatte. Because of Chaitanyam only we are taking everything. We are grasping everything. So that Chaitanyam alone is called Atma, that which is pervading. Yachati Vishayaniha, that which experiences all the objects, is called Atma. And Atma ki nariya definitions irukke. One definition namakku ipo podum. Enna adu? That which pervades the whole body is called Atma. Apnoti sarvam iti Atma. Apnoti means pervades everything. Sarvam iti Atma. That is Atma. So Atmanaha tat ajnanam, that ignorance which ignorance already mentioned in the previous shloka. Atma ajnanam. That ajnanam, Atmanaha ajnanam. Jnanena nashitam. Jnanena, through knowledge. Jnanena means through knowledge, by the knowledge of the self. Physics ajnanam can be removed by physics knowledge. Computer ignorance removed by computer knowledge. Music ignorance removed by music knowledge. Self-ignorance removed by self-knowledge, not by meditation. Self-ignorance removed by self-knowledge. This ignorance, which Swamiji says, very technical here, we have to dwell upon. Ignorance, he says, that it is not abhava. What we are talking, ignorance, is not jnana abhava. Jnana abhava means absence of knowledge is called ignorance. Absence of knowledge is called ignorance. But here, this ignorance, what we are having, is not the absence of knowledge. Very, very difficult, subtle point here. Carefully listen. No? Tuchchamanana, there is no object at all. Therefore, is a total abhava. Tuchcham anartham. Sanskrit la tuchcham anishulva. In Vedantic language, total absence is called tuchcham. But our ignorance is born out of mithya. Mithya jnanam. That is the problem. I will give you an example, then you can understand easily. See, there is a rope. There is a rope. And I see the snake in the place of a rope. If there is no rope at all, no problem. If I see rope as rope, no problem. If I don't see rope also, no problem. But I see the rope as a snake. And the rope, ignorance. It's not total absence there. There is a presence of a rope, but this is called mithya jnanam, erroneous perception. If our ignorance of self-ignorance is because that we do not know the self. Self யாருக்கு தெரியாது? செக்கு மேல் எழுதும் போது என்ன எழுதுறோம்? Self. Self. We write. Every one of us, every second we are experiencing consciousness. I am conscious of, I know, I am, I know, I exist, I know. Every one of us are experiencing the Atma every second, but I do not know that I am, I know is Atma nu namakku theriyadu. இதுதான் erroneous perception, மித்யா ஞானம். அது அறியாமலே இருந்ததுனால தான் இதுக்கு மித்யா ஞானம். நாட் துச்சம். துச்சம் மீன்ஸ் டோட்டல் ஆப்சன்ஸ். இது கொஞ்சம் மனசில் வச்சுக்கோங்க. மறுபடியும் இப்போதான் கான்டெக்ஸ்ட் வந்தபோது ஐ வில் எக்ஸ்பிளைன். பட் யூ ஹாவ் டு ஷார்பன் யுவர் இன்டலெக்ட். நோ, ஹவு கேன் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் வை திஸ் அஜ்ஞானம்? பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் எரோனியஸ் பர்செப்ஷன். தேகாத்ம புத்தி. எப்படி ரோப்பிலோ பாம்பு பார்க்குறோமோ ஆத்மாலோ இந்த தேகம் பார்க்குறோம் நாம. இதுதான் எரோனியஸ் பர்செப்ஷன், இதுதான் இக்னரன்ஸ், இதுதான் மித்யா ஜானம். இந்த அஜ்ஞானம் தான் நம்ம பேசுறோம் இப்போ. ஸோ திஸ் கேன் பி ரிமூவ்ட். இட் இஸ் பாசிபிள். எ துச்சம் யூ cannot. Rabbit horn is துச்சம். Rabbit horn is not there. You cannot get the knowledge of the rabbit horn. You cannot have a ignorance of rabbit horn. Why? இருந்ததானே. அதுதான் துச்சம். Which is non-existence in the past, present and future is called tucham. Okay, that which exists past, present and future also is called satyam. இந்த மூணு வேர்டு ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. அசல் ஆக்சுவலா இந்த வேர்ட்ஸ் சொல்லக்கூடாது பிகினர்ஸுக்கு. பட் என்னமோ வந்தது. I will tell you. But one day or other you have to understand, no? There are three words: satyam, mithya, tucham. Satyam is that which was there in the past, which is there in the present, and which will be there in the future also is called Satyam. Trikale tishtati iti Satyam. That is the Atma. Okay? Satyam is called Atma. Atma is Satyam. Why? Trikale api tishtati iti Satyam. Sorry. Next one is Mithya. Mithya is that which was not there and which is not going to be there, but at present it will exist. That is called mithya jnanam, erroneous perception. This is called adhyasa. And the present, and the time kulla irukkanum. You enter into that room, that rope you have not seen before. At that time, that moment, that rope appears as snake. But once you put the torchlight, the snake will not there, not disappear, will not be there. It was not there. It is not going to be there because it is rope. But suddenly what I saw? Snake. Snake unmai sweating. I want to run away. அப்போ அந்த டைமுக்கு சத்தியம் தானே. அப்போ ஞானம் இருக்காது. என்ன ஞானம்? தப்பான ஞானம், எரோனியஸ் பர்செப்ஷன். அதுதான் மித்யா ஞானம். புரியுறதோ? ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கா இருக்கும். அது மித்யா ஞானம். மித்யா ஞானம் இஸ் தட் which was not there previously. Before I am seeing that, before I am coming to this body, I have any problem? கிடையாது. After death, no problem. இப்போதான் இது ப்ராப்ளம். இதுதான் மித்யா ஞானம். புரியுறதா? அப்போ இது மித்யா ஞானத்துக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிள். நம்ம இருக்கோம். மித்யா ஞானத்துக்கு என்னப்பா எக்ஸாம்பிள்? நான் இருக்கேனே. இதுதான் எரோனியஸ் பர்செப்ஷன். சரி, துச்சம்ங்கிறது ரேபிட் ஹார்ன், முயல் கொம்பு. முயல் கொம்பு கிடையவே கிடையாது. பாஸ்ட்லும் கிடையாது, பிரசன்ட்லும் கிடையாது, ஃபியூச்சர்லும் கிடையாது. எப்பவுமே திரிகால அவாத்தியம். திரிகால வாத்தியம், மூணு காலத்திலும் எது இல்லையோ அது துச்சம். இப்போ நமக்கு துச்சம் பற்றி ப்ராப்ளமே இல்லை. என்ன இல்லாதது எதுக்கு ப்ராப்ளம் வரும்? ஆத்மா எப்பவுமே இருந்துட்டே இருக்கு, அதனால ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை. இப்போ எதனால இப்போ ப்ராப்ளம் என்ன? இந்த மித்யா ஞானம் தான். இந்த தேகம் பார்த்து நான் நினைக்கிறது தான் அத்தியாசம். சத்தியன்னு ஆத்மா, பொய்யான இந்த உடல் இது மிதுனீகிருத்யா. சத்திய அன்ருத மிதுனீகரணம் இஸ் கால்ட் அத்தியாச. சத்திய அன்ருத மிதுனீகரணம் இஸ் கால்ட் எரோனியஸ் பர்செப்ஷன். That is called ajnanam here. I hope I have communicated something. Okay, that jnanam we are talking here. That's why Vedanta talking self-ignorance is entirely different. This is born out of mithya jnanam. So it can be removed. It can be removed. Now look into the shloka. Yesham tat atmanah ajnanam jnanena nashitam. Whose ignorance of the self, yesham, whose, tad ajnanam, that ignorance of what? Atmanah, of the self. Whose ignorance of the self, jnanena nashitam. By studying Shastra, Guru tadvidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya. By attending scriptures, Guru mukhataya padichi, now I am Atma. Jnanena ajnanam nashitam, destroyed, removed. How? Adityavat. Then once I understand I am not this body mind complex, that which is finite, that which has got limitations, that which is always vikara, having modification. I am not that. I am changeless Atma Swarupam. Once I know through Shastra, through the Guru. That's why I said Atma Ajnanam can remove only by Atma Jnanam. Atma Jnanam can be attained through the Guru only, not by any other means. The person says no, Ardha Jaradiya Nyayam or Nyayam. A person can be either full body totally old or totally young. Ardha Jaradiya, half of the body is old, half of the body is young. Irkuma? That's why one person come and asks, you the Vedantin telling Veda Purva cannot give knowledge. Veda Anta ni கூப்பிடுறே கிளாஸுக்கு. Veda Anta you are giving importance. Veda Purva Karma Kanda you are neglecting. இது எப்படி இருக்குன்னா அர்த்த ஜரதிய நியாயம் மாதிரி இருக்கு ன்னு சொல்றான். Body is half full young, half of the body young, half of the body is old. என்ன வேதம் ஒண்ணுதான். அந்த வேத பூர்வ பாகம் கர்ம காண்ட ஞானம் கொடுக்காது, வேத அந்தம் மட்டும்தான் ஞானம் கொடுக்கும்னு அப்படி சொல்லலாமா? இது அர்த்த ஜரதிய நியாயம் மாதிரி இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுவான். பீப்புள் கம் அண்ட் ஆஸ்க் யூனோ, என்ன போய் அங்கே போய் உட்கார்றேன், எனக்கு என்ன புண்ணியம் வரப்போறது, கீதா கிளாஸில் போய் உட்கார்ந்தேன்னு கேட்குறான். சப்போஸ் தே ஆஸ்க் யூ வாட் யூ சே, எல்லாம் கோயிலுக்கு வந்து இது பண்ணு அது பண்ணுன்னு சொல்கிறான். அங்கே போனால் என்ன இருக்கே, ஏதோ சுவாமினி பேசிகிட்டே இருப்பா, யூ கோ ஆன் ரைட்டிங் வாட் யூ ஆர் கோயிங் டு கெட் அண்ட் தே வில் ஆஸ்க் யூ. தேர் ஆர் பீப்புள். பூர்வபக்ஷன்னு எங்கேயோ கிடையாது, பக்ஷி நமக்கு மத்தியிலே இருக்காங்க. பூர்வபக்ஷி மீன்ஸ் அன் அப்போனண்ட் ஹூ ஆர்கியூஸ், do lot of karma, that is gives only moksha, they say. We say we are not using ardha jaradiya nyayam here, we are not looking karma kanda as inferior. Veda itself says na karmana na prajayadhane na tyage naike amrutatvamanasuhu. By any amount of karma you can never get self knowledge. Japa meditation will not give self knowledge. Self ignorance can be removed by self knowledge, not by any other means. Nanyah pantha vidyate yanaya. There is no another way, other method. Only ஞானம். இது நிறைய பேருக்கு தெரியாது. ஜப்பம் பண்ணிண்டேரும் வந்துடும் மோட்சம், மெடிடேஷன் பண்ணிண்டேரும் வந்துடும். எப்படி வரும் அப்பான்னு, பிசிக்ஸ் கூட மெடிடேஷன் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கலாமே. Chemistry knowledge could you can't do meditation? Why self-ignorance ki meditation chol rahe? Idha paityanna. You ever says self-knowledge, that's why God realization is also not realization. If anybody says, I have realized God, God realization is not realization. Because you are seeing God. What do you mean by God? God realization means you are seeing the God, a particular God, located God in Dwaraka or Ayodhya or somewhere, Kailasa, Vaikuntha. That God realization is not a liberation. It is not a moksha. This is the truth. Therefore, God realization must be converted into self-realization. This is very, very difficult to swallow. Inna Swamini, God realization kuda asal realization kadiyadu. It is not an acquired thing, Atma. It is already siddha vastu. You are that already. You have to go panchakoshas away, no? Annamaya kosha, pranamaya kosha, manomaya kosha, vijnanamaya kosha, anandamaya kosha. Ellame intellectually you have to falsify. Then you have to own up that which is available all the time. That's why Vedanta never spare anybody. However much be a great Mahatma, I have realized God anna innu konja naadu sadhana pannu padichittu appuram vaanu solluvar Bhagavan. God realization, if you say a Krishna or Rama or Devi is not a realization. Because as a Nama, Rupa, God, Ishvara is finite. You have to see the inner substratum of that Ishvara, Atma. Then you see that Paramatma Swarupam as Atma Swarupam. If you say realized, I have realized that, I have recognized, I have discovered that substratum, the source of Paramatma is consciousness. I am consciousness. Both are one and the same, identical. Mahavakya. This is called liberation. That's why we don't use eppume God realization solladungo. Self realization kuda solladungo. Tappu. Enna irukku self realization aharadhukku. Physics realization varudho? Sollungo. Chemistry realization varudha? Music realization? Dance realization? How can you talk about self realization? That's why realization word in tradition they don't accept. The translation itself is wrong because English la words kadiyadu. Enna panna mudiyum? Romba kashtam. Adanal ella book paatha realization ene irukum. Aparokshanubhuti enna self realization pottuduvaanga. So that's why commentaries have their own limitation. So ஞானம் எப்படி பிசிக்ஸ் ரியலைசேஷன் கெமிஸ்ட்ரி ரியலைசேஷன் கிடையாதோ அதே மாதிரி ஆத்மா ரியலைசேஷன்ங்கிறது கிடையவே கிடையாது. பிசிக்ஸ் ஞானம் தான் இருக்கு, ஆத்ம ஞானம் தான் இருக்கு. அதுதான் ஞானம். என்னங்க எப்படி? ஆதித்யவத் பிரகாஷயதி. சன் இஸ் எஃபல்ஜென்ட், எவர் எவிடென்ட். ஐ ஹவ் ரியலைஸ்ட் த சன் ன்னு சொல்லுவேன். Even if you close your eyes, you know the sunlight. Appa. Prakashayati. That much powerful. If you recognize you are the Atma, it is self-evident. Self-evident. Because that is the core, that is the substance, that is the essence. That is what here Adityavat, like the sun, Tat Param, that supreme self, Jnanam prakashayati. That knowledge illumines, just as the sunlight illumines all objects. This jnanam also illumines the self. Jnanam is also a vritti. Chemistry knowledge is a thought. Okay? Clip thought, mic thought, book thought, desk thought. Illa thought dane. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 8 is a thought or not? இது 8 நம்பர்ங்கிற ஞானம். இந்த ஞானம் எந்த ஃபார்முலா இருக்கு? வெரி வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். சி ஜாகிரதையா யூ ஹேவ் டு லிசன். எங்கேயும் எலர்ட்டாக இருக்கணும். கம் along with my words. See 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 8 is a knowledge. Knowledge in the form of, where this knowledge has taken place? Intellect, buddhi. In the buddhilo 8, in the number 8, 4 plus 4, 8 vritti, thought. Vritti enna thought. And the thought has arisen. That's called jnanam, vritti. Physics knowledge is a vritti. Chemistry knowledge is a vritti, thought. And knowledge in the form of thought called jnana vritti. Enna vritti? Physics jnana vritti. Chemistry jnana vritti. Music jnana vritti. Class jnana vritti. எல்லாமே thought formல தான் இருக்கு. சந்தேகமா இதுக்கு ஏதாவது? இது சாரி is a thought. The knowledge in the form of a thought. Similarly, I am the Atma angiradhu is a thought. Jnana vritti. Enna jnana vritti? Physics vritti, jnana vritti nu solla kodadu. Physics jnanam, physics jnana vritti. Chemistry jnanam, chemistry jnana vritti, thought. Atma jnanam, atma jnana vritti. Adida jnanam. Thought in the form of knowledge that which take place in the intellect. This is called self-knowledge. I don't want to mesmerize people. I don't want to make people believe in mystics. Edukku mystic inga 4 plus 4, 8 is equal to mystic knowledge. Edukku mystic knowledge? Is it evident knowledge? 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. There is no mysticism here. I need not hypnotize you for this also. உனக்கு ஆத்மா காமிக்கிறேன், நான் ஹிப்னோசைஸ் பண்ணணும். எதுக்கு பண்ணணும்? அது எல்லா ஞானம் எப்படியோ இந்த ஞானம் கூட அப்படிதான். இதுதான் சாஸ்திரா சேஸ். ட்ரை டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். அதர்வைஸ் யூ வில் ஹாவ் எ ட்ரிப். பர்த் டு அகைன் womb to tomb. இதுதான். This is the opportunity you can grasp. A jnana vritti. It should take place in the intellect. How it will take? Come to class, listen again. That vritti will take place. Shravanam, mananam, nididhyasanam. Adityavat, that is effulgent. Here comparison don't take like in sun. Effulgent. Illumining. Aham, I am a human being. Jnana irukka illiyamma? I am a human being னு ஞானம் இருக்கா இல்லையா? அது கூட விருத்தி தான். எப்படி தெரியறது? என்ன கொஞ்சம் கிள்ளி பார்த்துக்கணுமா ஹியூமன் பீயிங்கா இல்லையா? அவசியமே இல்லையே. அது மாதிரி அது எப்படியோ இந்த சாஸ்திரம் படிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் நான் ஆத்மா அங்கிற ஞானம் கூட அவ்வளவு கன்வின்ஸ்டு ஃபேக்ட் ஆகும், வந்துடும். That for that second no shastram is there in front of us. Try to think. Adityavat. That like the sun, that supreme self, param, tat means atma. That atma, param, which is supreme, that which is beyond body, mind, complex, that which is your own nature actually. You are always experiencing that every time. Every time you are experiencing, but that you do not know that you are that. And the notion that we are going to remove that. You are already that. No teacher, no sannyasi, no Swamiji can give you Atma. It is a Siddha Vastu. It is you that. In the Shariram Nanga angara notion we have to remove through the Shastra study. Next shloka, 17th shloka. Tadbuddhayastadaatmanah tannishtastatparayanah gachyantya punaravrittim jnana nirdhuta kalmasham. That's why that analogy, the sun Adityavat, it is an analogy, example. If I don't understand properly, I will misuse that. No? Adityavat என்னமோ பிரகாசம் ஒன்றுண்டு இருக்குமுன்னா பிரகாசம் வருது ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. It is an example just given. Now, after studying Jnanam, Shastram also, oh, Atma is there. Paroksha Jnanam. Atma is there. That Atma will be liberated. It is called Paroksha Jnanam. That Paroksha Jnanam is called Atma Asti. Atma will be liberated. Indirect knowledge. It has not become that direct knowledge. Aparoksha Jnanam ahala. I have to convert that Paroksha Jnanam into Aparoksha Jnanam. Atma aham asmi. Aham Brahma asmi. This is the Aparoksha Jnanam. That itself is a liberation. Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam is liberation, moksha. There is no Atma is there, it will be liberated. Hey, anga Atma irukka liberated anna enakku enna prayojanam? Atma, all pervading Atma, if you study Atma will be liberated. Atma liberate aayittanna enna enakku enna? Agala enna enakku enna? Your problems will continue. My water problem, my phone problem, my TV problem, my children problem, all will continue burdensome to me. Who wants that Shastra? Enakku prayojanam illada Shastra enakku edukanna? Shastra says no. Atma is not somewhere. You are that. Tatutvam asi. And I say aham Brahma asmi. Idida enakku venam. Aham amritaha, immortal, changeless, ever existent principle, free from sorrow, no impurity at all. Such me, I am wonderful, beautiful, charming, so many things. Atma, Shastra is talking about me alone. Kannadi edukkaga paakrom todachi. Not to see somebody else. Who wants? I want to see my face one. Adi madri Shastra only coming in front of us to show our real nature. Here in this shloka, the stages, various stages take that seeker goes through. Once you get knowledge after Shravanam, Shravana is to remove the ignorance. Manana is to remove the doubts. Manana means logical analysis. Now I am talking about this Tucham, Satyam, Mithya. All these are called logical analysis, reasoning. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. It cannot be something else. It is the fact. These are all called analysis. No one can deny it. It's a fact. So this analysis is only to remove doubts. Whatever I have studied. Shastra. Shravanam to remove ignorance. Atma Jnanam. Mananam, analysis, logical, reasoning, thinking is to remove my doubts. அப்பப்போ அந்தந்த டவுட்ஸ் அப்பப்போ வந்துடும் உடனே. நமக்கே தெரியாது எத்தனை டவுட்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு நமக்கே. More in the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.